The easiest and at the same time the hardest part of trading is executing your own trading plan. If you want to earn consistently, you need to make sure that you can clearly follow a pre-prepared plan. In my course, I give you a clear plan to follow. Let's make sure you can accomplish at least the simplest task list. It consists of 3 hacks. Step 1. Answer yourself a question. Have you received personal instruction from a trader and with practical years of trading experience? Did you receive personal knowledge transfer? Or did you decide to save money and read articles on forums? Try different strategies, reprint it from one site to another to increase views. If the answer is no, then do it today. Find someone today who will give you personal trading experience. It doesn't have to be me, but it has to be personal instruction only. There are no other options. Because a person only in person can tell you the all too familiar secrets that he or she is out there using in trading, not those who write in articles. It is time to stop wasting time on useless information. You should spend your time and energy on training that will give you a specific, clear trading plan, a working strategy to generate income and information, specific rules to limit your risks so you don't lose money. Some people say that training is expensive, and where is the guarantee that after it I will start earning? And you ask yourself how much money you have already given and spent on the market and did not get the result? Did websites and forums with endless tons of information give you guarantees? Any successful entrepreneur will tell you to get new results. There's no point in repeating the old. You need to try new things. Try a new learning format, and then you won't stay at the old point. You will move forward in your development. So step 1, find a personal mentor and set aside time for some serious learning. Step 2, the second thing you need to do is click the subscribe button right here. Why? If you've gotten to this point, it means you're here for a reason, and you want to use my tools to improve your trading, not waste your time browsing. And since that's the case, let's fulfill all the points. If you realize it's not for you, you can always unsubscribe. It's not hard. So let's click the subscribe button. Did you click that? Right down here at the bottom. Why do you want to do that? To get tips from me every week that get results and improve your trading. I give you tips that 100% get results. And I give you a trading plan that is guaranteed to improve the trading of hundreds of my students. I create order in your mind that is unbalanced by stock trading chaos. I know that when you start applying my trading strategy, you will definitely start earning more and change your life for the better. Yes, my training is paid, and I know that not many beginner traders can afford such training. But for this purpose, I created a channel where I lay out the basic and fundamental principles of trading. If you want to get them all the time, and it is consistency that gives results, come with me and you will 100% improve your trading results. So step 2, subscribe to the channel and devote at least an hour a week to studying my trading signals and practical trading on them. Step 3, make a diagnosis of your trading. Virtually no one I have trained has made a diagnosis of their losing trades before the training. And it is understandable. No one wants to dig into failures, but it is necessary to analyze your failures and form a plan for successful trades in the future. Today, in 2022, my videos are watched by more than 3,000 people a month on all platforms. And people write to me all the time, asking me to help them understand, to help them earn more on the stock exchange. And of course, I want to answer everyone, but I am constantly conducting training. Right now I have about 14 people training at the same time. And you understand, I am limited in time. But I can give you 2-3 hours for a consultation, and it can be free of charge for you. Just for this, you need to open an account with the brokers with whom I work on the link in the description, and write me your account number to me in Telegram. The link to Telegram is also in the description. Open an account with a broker. Deposit it for any amount and write to me about the desire to get a consultation. I will perform free diagnostics for you and give you recommendations that will definitely improve your trading results. I already have such experience. This will confirm your serious attitude to trading and give me motivation to help you. And this will be the 3rd step you will take on the way to successful trading. So, we've broken down with you the 3 steps on the way to your future excellent trading. This video will help you. Add it to your bookmarks if you decide to start, so to speak, on Monday. And remember, even if you don't do these 3 steps now, you will still come back. And you will have to do them sooner or later, because they are universal. There is no other way, Only a conscious seriousness about your trading can change it for the better. Give it a like and trade with pleasure. See you soon.